Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lid hinge screw on your washer. The reason why you would have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing, causing the lid to be loose. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we're going to be using for this repair. It's a GE. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So what we're going to do first, we're going to open up the lid here. And on this side right here, we're missing both the screws that hold this in. And as you can see here, the door is extremely loose. So we don't want that, because if we go to close it, it might not close and actuate the magnet properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to get 2 new screws. So grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we're going to have to make sure that we get this lined up. And to do that, I want to close this slightly, because if it's all the way open, the spring here has a tendency to go forward a bit. So I want to slightly have this open. I'll line up the holes and screw it back in. There we go. Now as I'm screwing it in, I'll give you a nice corny joke. Why couldn't the comedian tell any dirty jokes? They always came out clean. Now we can put the second screw in a little bit easier. And now you can see here, pulling up on it, it's nice and tight. It's not wiggling anywhere like it was before. So you can close the door up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.